Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into how to use RADA, the AI-enabled research and data assistant inside DealStats, where we'll talk about how we can create our own custom insights. Let's assume we'd like to learn about the average value of goodwill as a percentage of the MVIC price for engineering firms. This is a figure which is not within the DealStats database, but RADA will find the necessary components to construct this custom calculation for you. You can also ask for the custom calculation across various time periods. This enables us to have as many creative insights for us to further our understanding within our industry. RADA turns hours of manual work into actionable insights within seconds. See you in the next one.